I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence, a rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along. Then you came and you cut me loose. Was solo singing on my own. Now I can't find a key without you. And now you're so...
Dear Lauren, our big day is finally here. I cannot wait to see you walk down the aisle in the most beautiful wedding dress. I can finally hold your hands in front of all of our friends and family and officially call you my wife. Thank you for being the wonderful person that you are and always being by my side in the great times and the bad. You truly keep me strong and make me a better person. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. Love always, Rob.
I'm sorry if it's all too much, but every day you're here I'm healing, and I was running out of luck. I never thought I'd find this feeling, 'cause I've been hearing symphonies.
Side by side. Happy wedding day to my handsome, smart, caring, and funny guy. Today is the day I've waited for such a long time. Becoming your wife is the most special event in my life. I promise to spend my life always putting our family first. And like the song says, I will never stop trying. I love you more than life itself, and I cannot wait to become your wife. See you at the altar, babe.
Every day you're here I'm healing, and I was running out of luck.
Lauren, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love, as I am choosing to share my whole life's journey with you.
Robert, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love and that I am choosing to share my whole life's journey with you.
I pronounce you husband and wife. Robert, she's all yours. You can kiss your bride.